What is up, guys, and welcome to another vlog. It's gonna be a good vlog. We are downtown right now. Gonna go do some fun stuff. Let's do it. Look, check out the view. Jeez, y'all, that way looks like it's about to rain, but who cares? Boom, boom, right there. All right. It was getting super cold outside, but we hope we can do some fun stuff. Tag along and enjoy the video. Other than that, if you guys have any question, do leave it in the comment. Right now it's 10:25. They're still sleepy. I woke up an hour earlier at 9:30, I think, around there. All right, it's time to wake these guys up. It's getting super late. It's almost 12 o'clock. Let's get that wake up. Boom! Wake up, boy. Oh, he's up. Boy, what have you been out doing the whole day? Let's go. Hey, are we going to sushi, right? Some collection, guys. Yo, that's what's about. I'm not sure what that is for. Another Mickey Mouse, another one, and his kids, and a wife. He's up. Time to wake this guy up. Oi! Scared the fuck out of his ass. Wake the fuck up, Snick. Wake up, Snick. It's 12 o'clock. You guys are still in the room. They woke up earlier. I'm watching my videos now. At PhoolVlogs, go watch it. One hour. We're finally out. Jeez, it took forever to come. We're out. First stop is gonna be a shopping mall, and then we're going to some food place. There in the back. Right there. There's Chanel. There's Simone. Oh yeah, we finally made it to the mall. I got my sub. Davey got. What did you get, Davey? Chipotle. Some disgusting stuff. Brown food. What about you, Imon? What did you get? You should be looking here. Okay, what did you get?
I have tacos.
Okay, taco. He thinks he's a cowboy. He's not. What, they eat all tacos.
Mexicans are cowboys, yes. I know that got myself.
We're gonna finish this and do some shoppings, and we'll see you guys shortly. Peace out for now. I'm gonna enjoy this sub. It's actually pretty good. It's messy though. Kinda update. We're lost because of this guy. We don't know where we're even going. We just finished our food.
You need to add a camera like this way so you can see.
But we are about to go do some shoes shopping. Nike. I want some shoes. These ones, these are fine, but I want new ones. Davey, what do you want?
What?
He wants steak apparently. Anyways, what do you want, Imon? Yeah, what do you want?
You know what I want.
I don't.
I want shoes.
You want shoes, so we're gonna go look for shoes. See you guys in a second. We're about Starbucks right now. Jesus, taking forever. Mom, what did you get? What did you get?
Iced tea.
Iced tea and
That's it. I see.
strawberry.
Strawberry, blackberry, black.
There you
black
go. You got
Strawberry
it.
black tea.
What about you, Black?
Green tea. Green tea.
What about Smythe?
I told you.
Coffee?
No.
Black coffee?
Remember what I said? Pineapple.
Oh, pineapple.
Yeah, pineapple.
Alright, mine is just small iced coffee with cream in it.
Nasty dog.
It's pretty good actually.
No one knows how to make that.
It's pretty good actually, to be honest.
Yeah.
Next stop home. See you guys short.
Did you actually smell it what way? And because you have no materials, you buy some shit out.
We made it back. Finally. It's a good weather though. Good weather.
2 hours later.
And we're back to going to downtown. downtown low. It's a very nice spot to go. I'm go to the square downtown. Go get some sushi because we're super hungry. And we got Imon, we got Davey, and we got my queen right there, Chanel, right there. Yeah, that way. That's our building right there, all the way on the other side. 12th floor. 12th floor, huh? 28th floor.
Wrong.
Oh, 28th floor, you don't know the reference then.
Wrong.
It's a reference from my boy, what's his name?
David.
It's not David, it's
You're more one boy.
yeah, Tory Lane. Tory Lane is my boy now. You should know, Davey.
Logic.
Okay, Logic is like my actual homeboy, but not like a boy.
Boy.
Yeah.
Oh, Logic's a bigger boy than your other boy.
Exactly. So that's why.
Who do you fuck more?
I don't fuck anyone.
He's your boy.
Yeah, but you know. So here's Simon. We don't care about him much, but we Chanel. That's who we care about a lot. Yeah. Where have you been, Chanel? Since last time we saw you, it was
No.
12 months ago, maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, around there. You were in one of the videos. My goodness. Long ride. An hour. It's been an hour. He doesn't know where we're going anymore. Our bus.
They want to do it so bad right now.
I'm not sure what's going on. We're kind of like lost. Chanel, do you know where we're going? Do you know where we're going? You don't?
Please stand clear of the doors.
No, I'm not sure where we're going. Just gonna walk around, see what's going on. Other than that, nothing new, nothing too fancy. That's Tim Hortons. If you are from some other country, Tim Hortons is like a place. Like if you're Canadian, you know Tim Hortons. Right? Like this is the go-to place to go to grab a coffee, iced coffee, drink, whatever. Tim Hortons. All right, now we're just walking around. It's getting cold out here. These guys are not feeling cold at all. Jesus, what the hell is that? Try solving that, Barbie. Oh, gee. Alright, casual walk, we're almost there. Yeah, that's our main object.
We're not going to see a tower, man.
Look at that. They're just jealous of us some shit, dude. We're almost there. No one want to know where we are right now. This is like some kid stuff. Look at this guy. He wants some Mickey Mouse. He loves Mickey Mouse. You guys saw. We have a stop at the ice cream.
How's what?
Yeah, every flavor pineapple. That's my favorite right here. Orange. Yes. Good strawberry. Well, I'm going with pineapple. Davey still can't decide which one he wants to go with. But oh yes, give me a pineapple. Oh yes, yes. Melon. Yes. Mine is pineapple. Yeah.
Oh, everybody, yes.
How is it? It's like this one. Look around. Come on. Oh yes, bitch. Yes, bitch. All right. Now we're just waiting for the bus to come. We're about to go home. I didn't record much, but I recorded some parts, so hope you guys enjoyed that. But we're gonna go home, just chill out, relax. We didn't do much today, but it was just a hangout day. And one's right here, yo, that way. I'll see you guys shortly. I'm gonna go home, relax, take a shower, and then record maybe.
It's not like you're not going to be in my
I always
You
bathe.
don't bathe, man.
Oh my goodness, I always bathe.
He does not bathe.
I always bathe.
Dylan's
I
a
woke
silly
up.
man.
The next morning.
And it's morning! Time to go to the gym. Alright, pretty much this morning after we got home, pretty slept, super tired. I'm not sure how much I recorded, but hopefully you guys enjoyed that. But we're about to go hit the gym. Let's go. Imon, it's me, Imon, and Davey. Let's go. Gym time. I feel still sleepy though, a little bit. Anyways, let's get this gym going.
It's really honestly crazy.
You guys have to watch
What
this,
would
so
you do if
it's pretty
blood came
fun.
out of your penis once a month?
Let's get this workout done. Imon, what are you doing? No, you're not working, but at the gym. Gym. We got the treadmill. Yo. Now we're gonna use those. We're gonna use this.
You don't need this, guys.
Yes, we do. You need it.
No,
you
guys.
especially
You're
need it.
gonna be small. You're small. Y'all small. I mean, pretty. What else we gonna do in life besides this?
No.
Perfect.
There we go. What? All right, first workout. Shoulders. Let's go.
I mean, go consider it. You don't think so?
Oh, what now?
I mean, go consider it.
No. Get up. No. No. I keep my videos PG.
Love it.
No, sir. That's an actual workout. Like, I've seen it people do it for abs. So this is our trainer, Imon Cherry. He's gonna be today showing us how to do abs. Go ahead. So, arms right underneath your ass. There you go. Good. Leg raises.
I know teach you how to have sex.
Okay, now.
They got the segments.
Okay. Oh, okay. Like a kick up.
Then you got the
One
up,
kick.
the back for the legs open.
Oh yeah. Stretch your. Nice. 35. Lightweight. We're taking it outside. Don't worry.
You can't see, it's too dark.
Come outside.
It's
Come
too
outside.
dark.
Don't worry. Come outside. We're taking the workout outside today. Yeah, that way. Show the view. That's how we live.
There you go, this
Yeah.
way.
Yeah. There we go. Yeah. That way. That way. Fuck, that's an amazing one. Yeah, that way. That way. Yeah. That's lightweight. 2 years. Lightweight.
Yeah, inside. Spend a lot of times again.